Isinqumo senkantolo sokubopha abasolwa siwuthukuthelise kakhulu umphakathi ophume ngothi lwawo uzobeseka uthi bamsulwa.
They are innocent. They are innocent. The community, as a community, were not happy at all. Were not happy at all. Actually, from the first day when they got arrested, were not resting because the thing is we don't know why are they arrested for.
I-NPA ithi babhekene namacala abucayi izosiphikisa isicelo sebheyili.
They are facing charges that fall within the ambit of Schedule 6 offences, and therefore, as the state, we will be opposing their release on bail.
Kusenjalo ubuyele enkantolo osolwa ngokuqotha umndeni wakhe ukuze azitholele imali yomshwalense wempilo. Njengoba kusalalelwa isicelo sakhe sebheyili, utshela inkantolo ukuthi amaphoyisa awamsizanga ngemishanguzo yakhe njengoba khathe vele enkantolo ekuqaleni wathi unesifo esingamahlala khona angeke kwazi ukudla imishanguzo yakhe ngendlela uma engayitholi ibheyili.
Did you take your insulin shot this morning, and will you be in a position to continue with these proceedings today?
SAPS never assisted me with my medication.
Umbuso usiphikisile isicelo sebheyili.
I do not recommend for the accused to be released on bail due to the fact of the seriousness of the offense that the accused is facing.
Usishwanjo ubhekene necala lokubulala, amabili enkohlakalo nelilodwa lokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwingalo yomthetho.